So what I'm going to do is after the call, I'll just message you all our smart lead and zap mail access. You take a look. You tell me, Veena, I'm going to like take 4 hours, 5 hours, whatever hours editing and fixing the deliverability.
Okay.
And then you tell me the plan, what you will do for me in December and January onwards, because you will just then become my email person. You're going to manage my inbox as well and everything for me. Hi, Moindeen. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm very well, thank you. And thanks for jumping on the call at such a short notice. Um,
Not a problem.
I also run an e-commerce marketing agency, and I am also looking for someone to do my cold emails. We've got the setup done, everything is done, but we're facing a little bit of deliverability issues every now and then. So I just want someone to take the system from me and start optimizing it and running it for me.
That's great. Are you using any tool right now or are you going to start from scratch?
No, no, we've got the system done. We are using Smart Lead.
Smartly. And how many sending accounts are currently connected with Smartly?
I think 28. So we've been doing this for over a year and a half. And here, some of our earlier domains got burnt. We've disconnected those accounts. Can be bought new from Zapmail this year, a couple of months back. So yeah, we've been doing it for a while. But I know it constantly needs, rework, because sometimes the domains get burned. Then, you need to launch them again, etc.
Yes, so you need to work on the new email account and then warm them up and then start doing sending the email. So you're getting the email from Zapmail.
Yes. But we can look at another platform. We are not like stuck to one platform.
Have you tried Google Workspace email?
So they are Google Workspace accounts from Zapmail.
Oh, okay. Got it. And how are they currently performing?
They are performing quite all right. We have slowed down sending, but I want to start sending in like more from January, because right now everyone's becoming a little quiet as well. Our target market is US, UK, Australia, Canada. So, the market is also becoming quiet because Black Friday just got over. People are like really looking into their 2025 plans. So, but we really want to go like full throttle into it from next year.
Okay. Because yeah, Christmas is coming up, the New Year is coming up, so that's why the business is kind of slow at the point,
Yeah.
I guess.
And we want to use this time, Monuruddin, to set up everything, to do the
Call me Munir, the short name.
Munir. Okay.
That's fine. Your name?
Whereabouts are you located? I'm based out of Australia.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay, you're in Bangladesh. Fantastic. Yeah. So our current person is also in Bangladesh.
Okay, is there anyone in the team working from Bangladesh for you?
Yeah, but now we are not getting results with them. So we want to change.
And you are only facing deliverability issue, or you're also facing some other issues as well?
Yeah, scripts are tried and tested. We are always testing new scripts. We have very good scripts. They really perform because they've been performing for us for a year and a half. We get very good responses from those scripts. So scripts is not an issue. For us, the issue is deliverability and list, because I think we are using list kit and we've exhausted that list now.
Okay. And when it comes to the lead, where are you sourcing the leads from? Are you sourcing the leads from Apollo Liskit?
Yes, list kit.
And you exhausted that already.
So
What's the next plan?
that's why we need someone to help us with lead sourcing and deliverability.
Okay. So have you tried Apollo in the past?
We have, but not very actively.
You can try Apollo. I can help you get lead from Apollo as well. And you could have already a lead list ready. We can try that and run the campaign again. And Polo is the source that I can help you out with. Is that if there are any other source, then you have to buy this lead directly from that source. They're like store leads for e-commerce, and then we have D7 lead finder. Zoom Info is also good. Zoom Info is expensive. It's quite expensive. They're charging around like huge amount of money. When I had a meeting with them last time, they were asking like 12,000 US dollars for only 15,000 leads.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to pay that much. There's like, that's too much.
Yeah, that's very expensive, man. That's very expensive. Okay, so I'm gonna help you out with the deliverability, launching the campaign, setting up the accounts, and taking care of everything. Correct. And once anyone like shows interest, wants to talk, then should I send your calendar link to book the meeting onto your calendar, or should I just let you know, hey, Veena, I got a lead for you? Well, what's the step?
So see, we are in Australia, and sometimes what happens is our calendar is more towards Australia, and we get leads from US as well. So then I have to, and sometimes our scripts will ask someone to send them a video that we've done this audit for you. Would you like us to send you the video, etc., etc.
Okay. So in that case, you're gonna provide those things to me, or I'm gonna reach out to you, and then you will take over.
You'll have to reach out to me. You'll have to let me know, and we have a Slack channel. We can add you to the agency Slack channel if you join, agree to work with us, and then you can tell me, okay, Veena, today 4 leads are asking for a video or 2 leads are asking, and then I just jump into Smart Lead, and figure out and then send them the video.
Not a problem. That's definitely I can take care of. And Paul and you are running two different agency, two different campaign, or you're in the same team?
No, 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 no. He's different. I'm different. We are two different people.
Would you mind sharing me your website?
I will put it in the chat.
Yeah, you can put it in chat. And if you want, you can hire me through Upwork. I have my profile in Upwork, or you can hire me directly. It's totally up to you.
No, I'm okay with directly. It's okay. I don't want to hire through Upwork and then pay Upwork an extra fee, and then you also get to.
Yeah, the payment got deducted 10%. They cut down
Right.
my revenue. Yes. Fine. Okay, so is there anything else you want to ask? Anything else you want to know? You can ask me.
Yeah. So now I will also need your help to generate the lead list. So will you be able to do that for us?
As I mentioned, I can help you out with the lead from Apollo. That is what I can do. Apollo maybe has around 40,000 leads, and after that, we may need to source the leads again. I don't have any other source. In that case, we may find some people from Fiverr. I can help out with that. I can relate for you, okay? And then, then you can run the campaign. You can upload the lead, verify the leads. Okay, one more thing I forgot to ask. Do you guys verify the leads as well? Like, you
Yeah.
can verify.
Yeah, with Million Verifier, or sometimes what happens is with our Smart Lead program, we have the plan, we have the high end plan. So we sometimes verify there as well. And ListKit claims to have like triple verified or something, but we use Million Verifier.
That's great. That's great. Okay. Okay, so let's discuss about the pricing. Like, how much you
Yeah.
what's the budget? How much you gonna pay me?
So what are your rates? What are your
We
charges?
normally charge if hourly basis $6-7 per hour. So if it's a monthly, then it's somewhere in between 500-600 US dollars per month.
Okay. So let's do one thing, Moniruddin. I will add you to my Smart Lead and Zapmail. Okay, I want you to be working with me like a proper resource. I don't want this one day you work, 2 days you don't work. And I want it to be a proper thing between you and us, right? So, what you can do is you can initially like bill me for the hours you work this month, because we are not going to send too much this month. I'll be honest with you. But from and if you think it's better, and if you think we need new accounts, we need new whatever, then you start working full time for us, like properly on a monthly basis, and do the work this month only. I don't want to waste
Really
much.
makes sense.
Yeah, I don't want to waste this month, is what I'm saying. And I'm
Mm.
happy to pay you 500 USD as a monthly fee. Not a problem. No problem at all. But I just want you to first audit my accounts as well. And I'll pay you for that time. When you audit and do any changes this month for me, I'm happy to pay you for that time. And I want to get started like today. Right now, I can give you access and I will pay you through TransferWise if that's okay. Because then
Why is this fine for me?
because I also then don't pay too much of fee there to them, and it's a great deal for you also.
Yeah. I prefer Wise as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, after the call, I'll just message you all our Smart Lead and Zapmail access. You take a look. You tell me, Veena, I'm going to like take 4 hours, 5 hours, whatever hours editing and fixing the deliverability.
Okay.
And then you tell me the plan, what you will do for me in December and January onwards, because you will just then become my email person. You're going to manage my inbox as well and everything for me.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And I want like whatever it takes from uh, January onwards. If we need to buy more domains, we will buy more domains. You can warm them up this month, do whatever you need to.
Okay, sure. Not a problem. After we're done with the meeting, you can send me the details to my messenger, or we can also get in touch with me on WhatsApp if you want to get in touch with WhatsApp.
So, should I give you my WhatsApp number? But I prefer Slack.
Yeah, sure. Then I can.
I will give you my WhatsApp number, but I prefer Slack. Give me your email ID. I will add you to my agency Slack.
Sure, and I'm sharing my email to you right now.
And I will try and send you all the details today only.
Yeah, I just sent my email to you on Messenger, and here is my WhatsApp number as well.
Only thing is, how will we do the time thing? Because I am in Australia and you're in Bangladesh. So what will you do with the time thing?
So you were
You are
targeting the USA, correct?
USA, Australia, UK, Canada.
That's not a problem. I've been working like last 4 5 years with the USA client and Australian clients. So time it doesn't yeah it's not going to be
At
an issue for me.
Okay, if you can, also what we will need to do is we will also need to have a weekly meeting, the two of us, where you will tell me what's working, what's not working. So I want like full accountability.
Okay, so you want a weekly summary, like weekly report.
Yeah, but I want to like have a call also, whatever is needed. And I'm not stuck up on anything, but I just want like a proper update that yes, the work is happening and we're doing everything.
Sure, that's doable. Not a problem. Can do that. How many campaigns are currently running right now?
So there are about 4 5 campaigns which I've only set up because that other person I wasn't happy with his work. So I asked him to leave and then I just copy paste and I don't know what I've done, but I'm getting responses. So something is working for sure.
Yeah, I got the invitation. Okay, I will join that.
And I will give you the smart lead access.
Sure.
Because what I'm planning to do also is that after, I will pause my smart lead account for this month because if we are not running it, then I don't want to, just pay them for nothing. But if it's needed, I'll continue.
Okay, okay, sure. Let me take a look at those things. Then definitely I will let you know. I may need your Google Workspace admin access, then Zapmail.
So that is through Zapmail. Everything is in Zapmail. Let me just do one.
And
I am Everything is with Zapmail. Let me do one thing. Moin. Just give me a second. Stay on the chat before I forget. I am going to give you the password list and okay, and I'll explain you this password list also.
sure.
No, this doesn't have Zapmail. Sorry, there is no point giving you this. I can say was there. One second, huh?
Yeah, take your time.
Because there was this because I don't want to do hourly because then you will say I'm busy doing this, I'm busy doing that. I just want to I'm giving you access to this worksheet through Google, but there is no point. There's nothing in this worksheet. What I want to do is I want to give you something else. It's I've had a very long day. I'm so tired right now. I can't even think straight. Uh I'm just like
What time is it there right now?
6:20, but I started my day at 5 a.m. and I've been on calls since morning today. And I still have calls till 11 p.m. Yeah, it's been like little full on for us. Okay, now I am giving you the Zapmail password. Have you joined the Slack channel?
No, I haven't. Let me join the Slack channel.
I'm just putting it there. Zapmail has the domains and you will have the Google Workspaces from Zapmail only, the password, etc.
Okay.
So this is the password. Let me give you the password and the username. And I think the document I've sent you will have the smart lead username and password. Okay, this is it. Zapmail ho gaya. This is domains is 15. Total mailbox is 30. Can you log into Zapmail and see if it's working for you?
Yeah, I just joined Slack. Let me switch that. I'm in Slack. I got the Zapmail ID and password. Okay, let me log in Zapmail. How long have you been in Australia?
8 years.
Wow, that's great. Huge. So you're basically from Delhi or Mumbai?
Delhi.
Yes, I'm in the Zapmail.
Okay, you can do the audit, etc. All the inboxes are from Zapmail. Uh, what is the Zapmail Google Workspace? You will have to ask their support because I don't know. I don't remember what is the password. One second.
They have created the email account for you.
Yes,
I
I am.
in Zapmail you have around 15 domains.
Yeah, and I am sending you the domain's password in a CSV file.
Yeah,
Just
sure.
with the mailbox credentials. And Smart Lead, you should get it right.
Smartly. What's the ID and password for Smartly? Is the same?
Uh, the password is different. One second.
You're going to share that in the Slack channel.
If okay, I've shared a file with you. One second, there is this file. I'm getting very confused now. There's two files with or you can also go into Zapmail notifications if you don't find any credentials are missing. You can just like look there as well. You should be able to find there also.
Okay.
Or you can ask the support. They're very helpful. If you go to Google Workspaces, mailboxes,
And what is your basically availability? If I need to reach out to you, what time you want me to reach out to you?
I'm online for till 11 today, on and off. Like, I'm doing some work. You can reach out to me now also because I want to get the work started and I've sent you the same files. Wait, first let me give you Smart Lead uh, access. I've given you one file in this thing.
Yeah, I got the email account.
Yeah. So account and password has the Smart Lead. Also, if you can put like, that spreadsheet I have, if you can put everything together like that spreadsheet, that'll be fantastic.
She shared with me two CSV file now.
Yeah. But one is a repeat. So I have shared same CSV files with you and I need to share with you another file.
Which one has the smart lead credential?
I have put that in Google, but I can put it here as well. Wait, one by one. Let me do it. I'll put it here as well.
I think I found it.
Smart Lead. Just try if it's working. The password is working. Otherwise, I don't know. I'll have to see. Smart Lead I've sent you. I have to send you one more. And I'm just putting the wrong file again and again for you. For credentials. Yeah. Yeah, it should have all actually. It has 31. Sorry, it should have all.
Yeah, I got the smart lead. I'm in the smart lead now.
You're in the Smart Lead. You've got Zapmail. You've got Google Workspace passwords also in the spreadsheet I've sent you. Okay?
In this spreadsheet, I can see Apollo, Limitless, Smart Lead, HubSpot, Instantly, Million. Which one is the Google one? The one that is.
It's in Slack. It's a CSV in Slack.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, I have everything. Let me take a look at it. I'm going to spend time on it and then I will get back to you on this, okay?
Okay, fantastic. And you can just like start with what you need to do. We can do few hours this month if you want, and if you think something needs full setup, just let me know whatever it is. You can either send me like a voice message or a message in Messenger or on Slack. Anywhere you're comfortable, that's fine. If you keep everything in Slack, it's better. I think let's just keep all communication in Slack.
Okay, sure. I will share everything on Slack there. Not a problem.
All right. Thank you so very much, and I'll speak later.
Okay, have a great day. Bye.